completely redesigned. It's a new OS. Everything is, you swipe from the bottom, and you can see the device becomes alive on this, and it follows my finger. So you can swipe from multiple screens. Weather, you'll see it goes really fast. I can minimize the application. I can launch the browser. I can launch multiple applications like this. Launch PBM. But if you minimize it, the UI will change, and it'll adapt to the new screen size.
Yeah.
So this is UB. UB is it's not unified inbox, but if you press the UB button there, you can see you can have BBM, text message, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. It's also allowing you to show your upcoming events. So you don't have to leave the UB. You don't have to. If I go in my soccer practice, it's going to launch description of the event, and it's also going to give me all the emails that are attached or related to that or conference call. So I have 60 people on that event. I can click on people, and then it's going to give me all the people attending that event. But I can click on someone, and then I'm on the address book, right? And again, I've never left the hub, right? I'm still there. So we can go multiple layers or down in the OS without leaving the hub. I don't need to exit this. I can just peek back in the hub and see what I'm talking about, right? So I'm not losing time. I can take a peek in the hub, and if I'm not releasing my finger, I can go back in my application. You can see on the screen there, between the letters, we still have those fret, right? That helps you focus on the letters, French, and English. So it's going to autocorrect in the same message in the 3 languages at the same time.
But those aren't the only 3 languages
No,
it
no.
supports, but you can do 3 at the time.
So I can type hi, how, and you can see the suggestions there, right? And if I want to use the suggestions, I just flip it up, and the word will flow in the and it's going to suggest me the next probable word there on OR you. And you can say je vais. Très bien. Like this. The beautiful thing with this is that the device learns about your usage. Right? The more you use it, the better it will become. So, for instance, if you're using specific words, after 4 or 5 times that you're using this word will become a suggestion in the device. If you're composing an email with a subject line, and you know that the device knows that usually when you're using that suggest line, that subject line or subject title, you're usually inviting those 4 people. It will suggest that you add those 4 people to the email. If you just swipe down from the middle of the screen, you can switch between work and personal. So if I switch to work, it's all different. Now, if the IT manager decides to wipe the device or wipe the enterprise space, nothing on the personal side will be touched. Right? It's going to load all my events. And there's one thing you notice there: some numbers are bigger than the others. Right? So quickly you can see which days are busier than the others. So let's say someone says, "Oh, I'd like to meet you next week." You can say, "Well, 18 is not a good day. Maybe the 14th." Right? You don't have to look in your calendar and look at every possible space. You can quickly say something. If you drag down, you have the next following months. Well, you guys didn't move a lot, but you see I have 2 options there. I can either change the entire picture like this, right? Or I can move just one face and select the one I want. So this one.
Yeah, I should have blinked.
And I can do the same thing. And you want to set your alarm, right? You turn the alarm on. Then you just select the time you want to wake up. Again, it's just like beautiful, easy to use. And swipe from the top, choose bedside mode, and it will go in bedside mode, so all the notifications are off. It's not gonna blow your, blow lights in your room and everything. And actually, when the alarm sets off in the morning, the screen becomes all white, right? So it creates like a light. The entire browser is an actual HTML5 application. You can see it's really fast, really responsive. Let's see one article. And if I go on reader mode, again, it's going to take out all the pictures, all the advertisement. And this is that we score 478 points. It's not the best browser compared to all the mobile browsers. This is the best browser compared to all the browsers. You can share all the ways you want, right? We can have multiple tabs, history. You can actually put tags next to your bookmarks. So next time you're looking for one of your bookmarks, like, I don't know if you guys are like me, I have like 600 bookmarks, usually, right, that I carry. And when going through my bookmarks, it's kind of an adventure. So now I can have tags. I can just look for like Montreal Canadiens, NHL, or mobile, or whatever. And I'm going to have all the bookmarks that are coming there.